Okay, so it's Friday in Bansko, and that means Altspace Friday Night Beers. One of the most consistent events that happens throughout the year here in Bansko. Great place to socialise, get to meet people. But today is July 4th, so they're doing a bit of an American celebration. So I don't know if it's going to be American themed or if they're going to have. I think there might be talks of barbecue or a bit of food. So yeah, we're gonna check that out. I'm actually also doing some photography for a friend who has started a brand for celiacs, and she has like little gluten-free boxes. So I'm going to be doing some photography at this event for that as well. But yeah, last night was fun. Went to a content creators dinner. I went a bit late because I finished work late, which is fine, but kind of missed the initial part of it. So then two of us decided to go get dinner elsewhere afterwards when the event had finished. And then we stumbled upon basically a quiz in the restaurant, and it was a Balkans quiz specifically on Bulgaria and Bosnia, and that was run by a NomadTrail. So we decided let's do it. So we joined a team, 4 of us, and somehow we won. We did do a study session really quickly before the quiz, but I don't know if any of our studying helped, as in I don't think any of the questions we looked up actually came up in the quiz. But yeah, we somehow won with the smallest team. We had no Bulgarians, no Bosnians on it. There was a team with 3 Bulgarians. I was convinced they were going to win, but somehow we pulled it off. So I think we won some t-shirts that we're supposed to get maybe later today. So yeah, that was good. But yeah, let's go check out Altspace.
Like when I'm trying these products, obviously I buy them all myself, and then I partnered with these who showed them my work, and do you believe in this? Yes.
Good morning, it is Saturday. Yeah, last night was good. Went to Altspace for a couple of hours for the Friday beers, and Stephanie launched her brand. It's very good. I think she got some pretty good feedback from everyone. Everyone liked the little tasters and the boxes. So yeah, I got some photos, gonna edit them over the next few days and send them on to her so she can use them for her brand, for Instagram as well. Yeah, and then we went to a new bar. I don't know if it's new or if it's a reopening, but Tipsy 360s in Bansko. Pretty good. I wasn't drinking, but yeah, it was good fun just talking with people. Nice outdoor open area, probably better for the winter, you know, after skiing you come down and everybody just chilling out outside. But yeah, I'm currently on my way down to the train station here in Bansko. There's a few of us, we're going to take a train somewhere. I think it was originally going to be about 4 or 5 of us. They know where we're going, but I think the group has grown. So yeah, looking forward to that. Yeah, it's going to be an interesting day. I was up a little bit too late last night, so went to Black Honey, best coffee in Bansko, in my opinion. But yeah, let's see what today's going to be like.
And he's like, okay, but that like really cool and stuff.
There they are.
Yakoruda!
What is this place?
It's Bangratutu.
Bangratutu?
I never brought us here. I never brought us here. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing in Yakoruda. Do you know if I tell my friends that I'm in Yakoruda, they're gonna be like, are you mental? So I don't know what we're doing here.
Wait, whose decision was this? Was this yours?
No, it was kind of like a phone thing because like people were doing it with the train, and then we found out it's like a market thing, and we were like, okay, let's go.
Okay.
Is there even a school in this town?
Town is a big word for this place.
Restaurant!
We're excited to just take a look.
Yeah, bro.
President of the country was born In 1922.
Put the Pepsi on the window.
Because it's a big collaborator, yes, sponsored by for the country.
So nice. Yakoruda.
Yakoruda.
Yeah, Yakoruda.
Yakoruda.
Yes, what exactly what I'm saying.
No, you say Yakuruda. It's Yakuruda.
Oh, so nice.
Handcraft here by the Yakoruda women, like woven. They wove it. Yeah, like Bulgarian threads.
Kind of like a fight.
Show us.
There's no place like Yakoruda.
But she's dancing with another.
We're going too fast.
Sorry, I
should have done when I was with
Fun facts about Bruno Mars. He just cancelled his world tour concert in Iran. So he's not actually catching a grenade for them.
Okay, start. Okay, that's it. So what did we get? We got beef.
Yeah, she said it's kefta.
Kefta? Okay. So we've beef, like burger things, I guess? Beef. Yeah, but we don't have any knives, so it's a real struggle to cut. So I just have to resort to biting in. I haven't tried it, actually.
Very simple.
So before Bulgaria, I'd never had tomatoes properly, so I kind of think I like them now, a little bit. So we'll see how this is. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. What is this?
Cucumber.
Okay. I'm in this foreign land. What is cucumber? Yeah, cucumber's good. I was never a fan of cucumber either. I don't know what it is about when you're here. Everything's good.
Yeah.
What's his name?
Fred.
Fred.
Okay.
You're a singer! My God! Every time there's a song, you're just like.
Okay.
Actions can.
We can do it.
No?
Come.
Bravo!
Right?
Are you ready? I have a very special one for you.
Whoa, come on, you hate
Quite
us.
advanced.
Let me see. No, okay, so this was G.
I don't know what to say.
This was G, so G, Japanese.
G.I. Joe?
Junjuriki. Yeah.
Jujuriki.
Show me.
Can you show it to the camera? What are you trying to read?
Okay, so I'm trying to make this answer.
Give up.
Ano. Chano, I don't know.
Okay, so how did the day start? It was like Olga that came up with the idea, kind of ish. She got the idea, and we went to this random town.
Yeah, so apparently somebody recommended it to Olga, and we were just like, yeah, let's go.
We need to know who recommended it.
Yeah, we need to know.
To blame them.
Yeah. What was this torture?
Because it's so funny, because the moment we arrived, okay, we have 3 hours. You know, it's like we're calculating all the time we had there, checking, how many time we have left? Okay, 2 hours. 1 hour. Literally.
Just want to go home.
Immediately when we stopped out of the train, we were like, what are we gonna do here? So like for 4 hours.
Like, well, we didn't prepare that. And in the town there was just like 2 restaurants.
2 restaurants, yeah.
In total.
That was nice, huh?
We were like they were like a buffet. That was not a restaurant.
No,
even.
it was.
That was not. I would not call this a restaurant like ever. Doesn't matter.
I still enjoyed the day though.
Yeah.
I loved it. I I loved it.
Yeah.
It was so funny. We had so much fun.
Yeah.
I had so much fun on the train.
Yeah. No, even like
It was the best part.
no, but like the market was like so authentic and weird that it was so much fun. Like,
Yeah.
I do not regret it.
No. It was
definitely
fun.
not.
And we went with the right group. I was saying, you know, like everyone had fun. Everyone was enjoyable. You know, we didn't have like a random person that was being a dickhead, and then I would have ruined the thing. So no, the people were nice. We enjoyed it. We made the best out of it. So
Exactly.
hell
Such
yeah.
a nice day. Such a nice day. What is your take? What is your take on Yakoruda?
My take. I loved it. I think, like, I don't care where we go. It's the group of people that you're with. That's exactly what I was looking for, and it's so much fun. Yeah. Like that was, you know, one of my biggest goals for like the Bansko Nomad Fest, just to meet other people, especially like content creators who just have the same interests. Because I've never had like a group of people who just want to do content. It's so much fun.
Yeah, and it's so much.
And we can be
enjoyable, right?
creative together and support each other.
Yeah.
So cute.
3, 2, 1.
Yakoruda!